What's up guys, Earl here for Good Tech, and in April, OPPO released the OPPO A54 smartphone with a 6.51 inches HD Plus screen, MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, 4GB of RAM, and 128 gigs of internal storage. A month later, they released a model with 6 gigs of RAM at a slightly higher price. If you're thinking getting this phone, just keep on watching. In the box, we are greeted with another box that includes a complimentary SIM ejector tool, jelly case, and a paperwork. Under that, you'll get the unit itself. Below the A54, you can find your charging brick and a USB Type-C cable. Despite the plastic build, the OPPO A54 looks and feels premium. Even at 8.4mm thick, it feels thin due to the curved edges at the back. It also has a decent heft at 192 grams, and at 75.7mm, it is narrow enough to be comfortably gripped. It's tall though, so you will definitely need two hands to comfortably navigate the UI. At the back, there's a triple camera module along with the LED flash. If you'll notice, the back panel has a glossy finish and is highly reflective. A huge fingerprint and smudge magnet too, so better use the clear case included in the box. The OPPO A54 boasts a large 6.51 inches IPS display with HD Plus resolution. The bezels are quite thin but more noticeable at the bottom. It is also a pretty immersive display, and even at 270 ppi, it looks sharp. There's no mention of any special glass protection, but it has a screen protector pre-installed. It's also got a large hole punch on the upper left for the 16-megapixel selfie camera. Found on the top of the display by the bezels is the earpiece. On the left are the plastic volume buttons, which are firm and clicky. It is also easily reachable by my thumb since it's placed near the middle of the frame. Just above it is a triple card tray for 2 nano-sized SIM cards and a micro SD card. On the right is the power lock button that also doubles as your fingerprint scanner. Like the volume keys, it is also positioned near the middle of the frame so it's easy to reach. Down at the bottom, there's a 3.5mm audio jack, main microphone, USB-C, and the loudspeaker. For the cameras, the main shooter utilizes a 13-megapixel camera, 2-megapixel for macro, and 2-megapixel one for sensing depth. Now check out some quick sample shots that we got. Now powering the OPPO A54 is a Helio P35 chipset with 2.35 GHz octa-core CPU, PowerVR GE8320 GPU, up to 6GB of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. For mobile data, it has 4G LTE. It's a pretty entry-level configuration, but should be enough for light to mid tasks. The 6GB option should cater to those who like to keep plenty of apps in the background. We'll know more about this device once we've done our full review, so stay tuned for that. So for pricing, the OPPO A54 with 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage is priced at 9,499 pesos, while the 6 gigabytes of RAM plus 128 gigs of internal storage variant is priced at 9,999 pesos, and it is available in Starry Blue and Crystal Black. So what do you guys think about the OPPO A54? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.